Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nik Atira Azahra binti Ni'amah Pansuri. Currently, I am the last year student in Universiti Technical Malaysia Melaka. Today, I will present about my title project, which is Design and Fabricate Tail Signal and Light Bike Rack using Electronic Circuit. My supervisor name is Nur Faiza binti Haminuddin. So, this is my table of content, which is have 4 chapters, and I will explain one by one. For the introduction, Behnut and Mannering 2017 has mentioned bicycling is a unique mode of transportation that offers a wide range of health benefits, including increased physical activity, lower stress and release rate, fuel consumption and congestion. Because of the many potential benefits, cycling has been a sustainable mode of transportation in recent years with great interest. Cycling can be the most environmentally friendly mode of transport and make cities harder to choke. It is seen as a realistic way to free our road from the increasing number of vehicles by Sivasankaran and Balasubramanian 2020. There are many conventional carrier rack that generally include provision to support the rack on the rear bumper of roof of the vehicle, with arrangement to hang the bike on the carrier and fasten it in place. Then I will show you the problem statement. Therefore, for this study, problem statement is the signal light and brake light are blocked by the carrier bike, as shown as in this figure. Then, second one is there are no rules and regulations regarding the usage of rear bike in Malaysia. This problem can lead to road accident if there is no solution to this issue arise. Therefore, this project will introduce extended taillight in order to avoid road accident by road user for the road safety purpose. So, for the objective of this project is first to identify how the car's turn signal and brake light works. Second, to design the extended taillight electronic circuit to sequential the car's turning signal and brake signal. Third, to test the system on real condition. For the scope of project, first, study on how the car's signal function and works. Second, the material selection. I will use light emitting diode or LED and the aluminium in this project. Third, the analysis. This analysis will use under real condition. Fourth, the prototype. This prototype can be used on trunk-mounted bicycle rack only to improve the safety for other users and minimize the accident. So next, move to the literature review. In this literature review, it consists 4 topics that we'll explain. First, statistic of road accident. Second, the carrier bike. Third, rule and condition, rule and regulation. Lastly, the existing extended taillight development. For the statistic of road accident, the percentage of each type of vehicle involved in accident in Malaysia is summarized in table type of vehicle in accident. Occupying car had the highest rate of the accident, which is 47.26%, followed by motorcycles 45.84%, others 2%, and taxis 0.34%, while buses represent the smallest percentage, which is less than 0.21% in 2017. Based on the table, the Royal Malaysia Police had determined the cause of accident in Malaysia. The data show a decreasing case of unnoticeable vehicle by 24% from year 2016 to 2019. This is important in order to reduce the number of accidents. In addition, other causes of accidents such as too close with vehicle, careless reverse, and tired or sleepy also decreased below 10%. However, in 2019, unnoticeable object or vehicle was the highest causes of accident with 521 cases, followed by drive too close with vehicle of 353 cases. Tired or sleepy, it consists 56 cases, and careless in reverse 27 cases, and the emergency brake with 21 cases. So move to the carrier bike. There are 4 types of carrier bike, which is roof-mounted bike rack, hitch-mounted bike rack, trunk-mounted bike rack, and spare tire-mounted bike rack. For the roof-mounted bike rack, it's around 500 to 600 ringgit Malaysia, and it can apply 3 bikes maximum. For the hitch-mounted bike rack, it's around 300 to 400 ringgit Malaysia, and it can apply 2 to 6 bikes only. For the trunk-mounted bike rack, the price is as low as 200 ringgit Malaysia. It can apply 1 to 3 bikes for this bike rack. Lastly, for the spare tire mounted bike rack, it's around 250 to 500 ringgit Malaysia. It can apply 2 bikes maximum for the spare tire mounted bike rack. Next, rule and regulation. The bike carrier installation is not permitted by the Road Transport Department Malaysia. This is the criteria that we must follow in Road Transport Department Malaysia. The roof should be installed securely on the vehicle. Height measurement of height roof installation must not exceed 230 mm from the rooftop level, and width as well as length should not exceed roof area. Any vehicle is not allowed to carry load that protrudes more than the back, front or side of the vehicle body. Height measurement of the roof of the vehicle must not be more than the front, back and side of the roof, and need to be bound properly and securely as not to endanger other road users. Lastly, installation of bike carrier on the back of the vehicle is not permitted. There are certain countries has rule and regulation on the carrier bicycle, such as Tasmanian government, New South Wales, Anderson, and Northern Territory government. So, next is existing extended tail light development. In this part, it consists 3 stages. First stage is installation. Installation is making some part and assemble the part And next, the method of usage. After assemble all the part, it will combine to the bike carrier. Lastly, stage 3 is finishing. It will use under the real condition and the view night to the proper view. This solution can reduce accident and injuries while on the road. Turning signal and brake signal are not blocked by the bike in this picture. So next, methodology. So methodology have 5 stage. First, research design. Second, market survey. Third, material selection. Fourth, the component design. And this is the component design flowchart. Lastly, design circuit. In order to achieve the goal, some of the component in the system have been set able to adjust on the both software and hardware based on the size of a particular vehicle. First, the circuit is shown in figure will be connect in the vehicle. Second, the LED lamp will hang on the aluminum plate and combine to the carrier bike. Both these function to make the show that the product will cover up the whole blocking view. Lastly, the conclusion. Today, signal light are optimal and some design features can be modified to improve driver detection and understanding of their message. However, it is difficult to meet all the constraints with one solution. The sample analysis of the study illustrate the potential improvement and problem that arise in their implementation. As a result, a complete design has been created using multi-SIM, which also having the criteria that meet the objective of this project. Thus, for the next task, the procedure of the project will be done carefully based on the sequence to prevent any flaws or skip steps that may affect the final production. Finally, the system will be tested on the real condition. Lastly, this is my Gantt chart during my PSM1. Thank you for watching.